Content marketing must-haves for a successful business. There are a number of things every successful content marketer must have in order to start and grow a profitable business. To start off with, he or she must have an effective content marketing plan. Far too many people start websites or blogs without any sort of plan. Blogging has made it so easy for people to start a site that they don't think about how difficult it is to maintain one until they start to get bogged down with content creation. A lot of bloggers also leave content to chance. They think that blogging is all about being creative and expressing themselves, but seldom think about the best ways to make money from all their hard work. If you want to make money and create a real business, then a content marketing plan is essential. That leads us to planning various types of content. When it comes to content marketing, you need a wide variety of content in order to keep your target audience coming back for more. Most blogs and websites publish articles or post, that is to say, written content. Some savvy bloggers also include relevant images. Content with images or visuals tend to get more attention than content that does not. But there are many other forms of content which can attract your target audience's attention and keep them coming back for more. These other forms of content include articles, graphics, memes, GIFs, infographics, PowerPoint decks, videos, surveys, polls. It is only by having a content calendar that you can create and publish all these different forms of content. Outsourcing. Content creation can be difficult, especially if you are not a fast writer or don't have the skills to create other formats. Fortunately, you can hire experienced outsource workers who are good at what they do. Just be clear about what you want and need, or you might end up with what you paid for, but not what you expected. Check out each vendor and their portfolios. Look at the turnaround time on the various projects. The best vendors will have a queue of projects, so you might have to wait, but the results should be worth it. Email marketing platform. A lot of people swear by social media, but the truth is that email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to build a relationship with your target audience in the long term and drive sales. It can be difficult to get people to come to your website and buy on the first visit. With email marketing, they will get to know you over time. Once they get to know you, they will start to trust you and develop brand loyalty. In this way, you can start making more sales to the same people. Your happy customers can also become brand advocates who suggest your product and services to others. Social media marketing. A social media marketing editorial calendar ensures you are publishing promotions related to the new content you are creating at your site or blog. The goal is to get likes, shares and comments, so your content will stand out and you will get more followers. The most successful content at social sites include video, memes and infographics. Always plan content people in your niche will be excited to share.